Hi, Claire. Can we ask you 23 questions about your job?
Sure, come over to my desk.
Well, that was our first question. So, what do you do here?
I'm the Associate Director of Global Regulatory Strategy.
What does that mean?
So at Forge, we're a gene therapy manufacturer, and my team plans for us to interact with countries around the globe. We're also in charge of the regulatory development of FBX 101, our in-house therapy.
Who's pictured at your desk?
This is Luna, my Old English sheepdog.
Okay, Miss Global Regulatory Strategy. How global are we talking?
So Forge has direct experience with the US, the EU, and with Canada. We're also building out our regulatory expertise with the UK, Japan, Korea, and more regions.
What's your favorite place that Forge has sent you?
It's gotta be Edinburgh, Scotland, but I also have a soft spot for Washington, DC. Let's go over here.
Oh, that's one cute puppy. Bye, Luna. Down to brass tacks. What is the biggest global regulatory challenge you've been facing lately?
So it's an ever-changing landscape, but right now the EU clinical trials regulation is the biggest challenge.
What's the purpose of the new regulation?
The regulation was formed to harmonize the submission procedure for EU clinical trials. It also increases transparency for the public.
When did this go into effect?
The submission portal opened as of last January, and as of this January, all new clinical trial applications need to be submitted under the portal.
What is your favorite road trip snack?
Well, actually, Wildberry Skittles, and I have some right here.
What's new for gene therapy developers?
So I'm focused on two things, managing long review timelines and IMPD-Q only submissions. Can you ask me a little bit more about those? That's a really cool new tool.
Okay, tell me more.
So under the clinical trials regulation, there is now an opportunity for manufacturers to submit quality information on behalf of clinical trial sponsors. Forge has developed a template so that it's ready to go when clients need it. It's a little bit like our US drug master file.
Tell me more about the timelines.
Review timelines for gene therapies are long, up to 156 days, which includes 50 days of expert review. On the flip side, timelines for responses to information requests are quite short.
How short are they?
They're up to 12 days and as few as 1 day.
If you could be great at any Olympic sport, which would it be?
Gotta be boxing. And actually, I have a meeting. Meet me on Main Street in a few.
Great.
Thanks so much, Claire.
See ya.
See ya.
Oh, hey.
Let's jump right back into it.
Great.
What do clients need to be thinking about for submissions in Europe?
Clients need to have an EU QP declaration in place before making their clinical trial application.
What's the process for QP declaration?
So Forge, we've already had a QP come to audit our facility. That may save clients time and money. Clients just need to make sure that they have their own QP, provide declaration for their products specifically.
And then what happens?
Then the clients will provide their CTA with the declaration included. After approval, clients will have their QP release the product for use in Europe.
Fun question, what show are you currently binging?
I'm obsessed with jury duty.
Let's get a little personal. What is the first thing you think of when you wake up?
Global regulatory convergence.
And what keeps you up at night?
Global regulatory convergence.
What do you hope gene therapy researchers know about Forge Biologics?
The Forge team is unmatched, and we really care about our clients.
This is a pretty epic facility, isn't it?
Of course it is, and that is your 23rd question. I gotta get back to work. Bye.
Okay, thanks, Claire.